Ever wondered what facing is versus binding? I have two quilts, one I'm going to bind and one I'm going to add facing, which is a more modern, clean finish. The first thing I'm going to do is trim off the edges of my quilts. And then for this, I'm going to use this bias tape facing, which already has folded edges. Or you can cut strips. Directions are in the blog. Then I'm going to attach my facing to my quilt using a 1/4 inch seam allowance, and I fold open the facing. And I'm going to take the strips and sew them to the sides first and then to the top. Once I've attached the sides, I fold it open and then stitch 1/8 inch from the edge with the facing open. And this allows an easy way to fold back the facing once I press it. So I do this all the way around the quilt. And you can see it's top stitched right at the edge, and that's going to allow me to fold it back so that it's not seen. Then I'm going to take it to my pressing board and press it back towards the back, and then I stitch it by hand. And as you can see, it's a clean look to the edge of the quilt versus what it looks like with binding. It gives you a nice, modern, clean finish to your quilt and is a great alternative to binding.